how to add the VHS effect in Capcut. Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how you can add the VHS effect on Capcut. So let's get started. First of all, you gotta head over and open your Capcut project, and over here at the right side you'll be able to see details. So you're gonna click on modify over here, and then you're gonna modify some settings. So here you can see the aspect ratio is original, so you're gonna click on it and set it as 4:3 because the VHS videos are in the aspect ratio of 4:3, and then you're gonna select the frame rate to 24 over here, and then you're gonna click on save. And after that you could upload your video. So I have uploaded this video, so I'm going to drag it to the timeline, and once you do so you'll be able to see that the video has been uploaded. Now you're going to modify this video according to the aspect ratio that you just set. So you're going to simply click on the video, and then you're going to simply scale the video till it reaches the aspect ratio of this, like this. And after that you're going to head over and click on effects, and once you do so you're going to search for the effect of DV tape. So simply type in DV tape, press enter, and just wait for it to get loaded. And here is DV tape, so you're going to use this one. So simply click on it, wait for it to get downloaded. You're going to simply drag it over here, and then you're going to drag this effect till the video, like till the end of the video. And then what basically you need to do is that you don't need the rest of the effect, so you're going to make all of these to 0, and just make all of these 0. And once you do so you'll be able to see that what basically this does is that it adds this layer over here at the bottom. Here you'll be able to notice it. And the next thing that you're going to do is simply search for is retro DV3. So what you're going to do is simply click on this over here, and then you're going to search for the option of retro, or you're going to simply head over and search for retro DV3. So simply type in retro, press enter, and you'll be able to see all of some options listed over here. So here is retro DV, so you're going to choose retro DV3 if you can find that. So you're going to simply click on it, and once it gets downloaded you're going to drag it over here and make it till the end of the video, and then you're going to make the speed 0, and then you're going to make the strength till 50. And once you do so you're going to add a few more effects. So you're going to search for jitter over here, so simply erase this and type in jitter, press enter, and you'll be able to see the effects loaded. So this is the one that you need, or you can use this one. So you can simply drag it over here like this and make it till the end of the video. So what basically it does is that it will make your video a bit to the bottom. And after that the next effect that you're going to add is oblique blur. So you're going to type in oblique over here and oblique blur, press enter, and then you're going to select oblique blur over here. So I'm going to choose this one over here. So you're going to simply drag and drag it over here, and here you can see that this is something like this. So what basically you're going to do is make it somewhere like from 18 till 23, so make it somewhere between this. And the next effect that you need is strong sharpen. Simply type in strong and sharpen, press enter, and then you're going to select the strong sharpen, that is this one. So you're going to click on this one and paste it over here, and then just drag it, and now you can see that this includes so much of strength, so you can just adjust it according to your own choice. And if you really want to make it a complete weird, a complete TV type of look, so you can simply search for another overlay, like you can add a TV overlay and just, multiply it to the video. So that is how you can create a VHS effect on Capcut. So if you found this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials. I'll see you in the next video.